Car insurance rates are up in Ohio despite an overall decrease in car accidents and unsafe driving. If you live in a Buckeye state, you might be paying 20 to 50% more for your auto coverage than you did last year, even if you hadn't had an accident or gotten a ticket in that time. I work for Jerry, a licensed insurance agency that's helped thousands of Ohio drivers like yourself find car insurance savings in the past few years. And I'm here to explain to you why your rates are going up and how to bring them back down with a couple of simple tricks. Let's get into it. Jerry's got your back. First, let's start with some good news. Ohio is still one of the cheapest states in the country for car insurance, with just 10 states reporting lower average rates for full coverage insurance. The average Ohio driver pays about $150 a month for full coverage and $120 a month for state minimum coverage. Even more good news, while many states are reporting increased accident rates and unsafe driving, Ohio's actually seeing a decrease in both overall motor vehicle accidents and traffic fatalities since 2021. According to the Ohio State Highway Patrol, 2022 saw a 5% decrease in fatal accidents, as well as a decrease in driving violations like speeding, DUIs, and seatbelt violations. So, Ohioans are driving safer than ever before. So, why are they paying more for car insurance? The answer comes down to two things: a shortage of new mechanics entering the auto repair industry, and an ongoing supply chain issue affecting car repairs. These two factors mean that even though drivers in Ohio are getting into fewer accidents, the repairs for those accidents cost more than ever, as the cost for both labor and parts are higher. So, what can you do about your high insurance rate? There are a few easy ways to save depending on your situation. If you're a relatively safe driver or don't drive very often, try usage-based insurance, which gives you car insurance premiums directly based on how you drive. Most insurers now have telematic apps that track your driving and give you a lower rate if you avoid unsafe driving behaviors like hard braking, harsh acceleration, and late night driving. And if you work from home or just don't drive very much, you can even switch to mileage-based insurance rates with a tool like Allstate's MileWise or Nationwide Smart Miles. These pay-as-you-go programs give you a low daily or monthly base rate that's based on your driving profile and then per mile rate, which is usually 6 to 7 cents per mile. That's based on the miles you actually drive. If you drive less than 27 miles a day, you can save a ton by switching over to this per mile model. Another way to lower your rate if you're in the market for a new car is to choose a vehicle with strong safety ratings. This is one of the biggest things insurance companies consider when setting a premium. Not just how much your car is worth, but how likely you are to get into a costly accident with it. Makes like Toyota, Honda, and Mazda tend to get the highest safety ratings, making them more affordable for car insurance. Finally, no matter your situation, you can save on car insurance in Ohio by comparing rates with many insurance companies as possible. There's no single standard rate for car insurance for every driver, car, or demographic category. There are too many factors involved in setting rates, and every insurer runs those calculations a little differently. Here at Jerry, we actually compare real quotes from dozens of Ohio's best insurance companies in under a minute. And if you find a better rate in the app, you can switch right there without having to make any phone calls or fill out endless forms. So, those are just a few ways smart shoppers like yourself can save on car insurance in Ohio in 2023. If you've recently seen your car insurance rates go up, drop a comment down below and share how much your rate increase was. And then try one of these hacks to see if you can find a lower rate.
Jerry, the All Car app that's got your back. Because we car.